Hi everyone, I am Jahid Hassan, and in this video I will guide you through the features and uses of my plugin Marquee Running Text Pro. The easiest way to display scrolling text with style on your WordPress site. This plugin allows you to create unlimited customizable Marquee section with icons, link and styling. Perfect for announcement, offers or headlines and many more. If you are using the free version of this plugin from WordPress, you can deactivate now because it not required. Okay, I deleted my free version. Let's upload the pro version. Add plugin, upload plugin, choose file. Okay, this is my file. Install now. Click active plugin. Okay, we already upload the pro version. Let's make a new Marquee. On the sidebar you can see Marquee. Add new, write a name, offers and news. Okay, you can select the direction, left, right. Okay, I use right. Marquee data, so it will be the text. Add new data, and I create some data using ChatGPT. Copy and paste it here. Click add icon, search gift. Okay, then add another data. Add icon, card. Add new another data. Add icon, add another new data. Okay, add another new data. Okay, I have add 5 data, so you can add more data here. It's unlimited, so I can use another lines not related. Global. Okay, so I can use background color. I use it black, text color will be white, and hover color will be use red if you want. Font with bold, font style italic, and font size I can make and I can use border size, I don't need it, 0. Border color don't need, and scroll delay I can use. Okay, so I can also reset everything from there. Okay, let's update. You can see I got a shortcode there. I can copy. Also, if I go all Marquee, okay, just remove the draft. Okay, all Marquee. This is my new Marquee, and there is a shortcut also there. I can copy. Just click on the copy. It's copied. Let's put in my home page. Edit with Elementor. Okay, this is my website. I just want to use there, so create a new section. Search shortcut. Put it here. Okay, it's there. Also watch it from the front end. See, this is my Marquee. But if I make the section full width, let's update. Okay, also remove the padding, update, and refresh. See, the Marquee is going there, and if you want, we can change the direction. Just edit, change the direction to left, and update. Okay, refresh it. So direction is changed. Okay, that's amazing. You can also create another Marquee. Just add new, breaking news. Okay, I have few line in there. So right to left, add data. Also I can use link, so I mark it and click on there and write my website name, Bounders, and put it, update. Okay, also I can use link, add new, okay, so I don't change the icon there right now. Okay, and just save. Okay, let's see all Marquee. See, breaking news, there is another shortcut, so I can copy it and just duplicate and change the shortcut, publish. See, another Marquee is there, but I have to do some customization. If you want, you can. Okay, and if I click in there, it's redirect to the different website. Okay, few more things in there. The Marquee setting, go there, and there has few options. Select a Marquee shortcut for header, so I can choose a Marquee for header, so it will be show on top of the header. So select and I can use it. And I also want to use the footer, so select a Marquee shortcode for footer, so I can select also footer and save. So I can see, if I refresh the page, I can see the Marquee on the header, and also I can see on the footer. Just refresh. See the header and also in the footer. Okay, that's cool. If you ever get stuck, check the official documentation or reach out via the support forum or email. Thanks for watching. If you find this plugin helpful, don't forget to leave a comment on our website. It really helps. You can also follow me for more useful WordPress plugin. See you next time.